In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a Facebook pixel in WordPress and why it's important. Let's get into it. So, yesterday, March 19th, 2019, I received an email from Neil Patel, and he sent me to his blog post. And inside of his blog post, he's talking about the future of content marketing, and it's the 17 charts. And one of the charts that struck some interest to me was, how do you convert blog readers into customers? And you can see here in the chart, email marketing was at 40%, just a little over, and then the next second one, right, on the chart here was remarketing, which was almost at 40%. So Neil actually says, email marketing is the main method bloggers are using, which isn't a surprise. But the number 2 method is remarketing. Okay? So that got me to thinking this is a great time to go ahead and talk about the Facebook pixel, how to install it on WordPress, and of course, this is why it's important. So let's jump right into how to install the pixel on WordPress. I'm going to show you 2 methods, okay? Now, the first method is a plugin called PixelCat. Here you can see inside of WordPress, I've installed it already, and it's called PixelCat, and you can see my Facebook pixel. So now this is a plugin, just like any other WordPress plugin, that if you wanted to install it, you would just install it. And as you can see here, it's called PixelCat Lite. So if you're looking for it, it is by Fat Cat Apps. So of course, if you wanted to add that, you would just click Add New under Plugins once you've logged into your WordPress dashboard. And then you would just go ahead and you would find that by going to looking for PixelCat Lite. You would see it, and of course you would install it, do all the regular stuff. Okay, so once you have that installed, it's really simple. All you need is your Facebook pixel ID, which is right here. So now the question comes, how to get your Facebook pixel ID, which is pretty straightforward as well. And we'll hop over to Facebook and I'll show you that. So once you're logged into Facebook, you'll go into Facebook and you'll be in your regular user page. You'll see this little arrow that's pointing down here, and you click on that and you'll have what's called your business manager. You're going to click on your business manager and you're going to go inside your business manager, and that's going to open up in a new screen. You're going to see your business manager and you're going to want to go under pixels. Now, one key thing here that I've kind of just sort of jumped from logging into your Facebook, going straight into Business Manager, you do want to set up a business account, best practice. So you have your personal ad account, but you also want to make sure you go ahead and you set up a business manager account. I'll actually make another video covering that later, but for now we'll just go ahead and fast forward to the fact that we already have a business account. It works the same way, but I highly recommend you don't use your personal account for this. So once you're inside of there, again, you're inside the Events Manager, you're looking at pixels, this little hamburger menu here. You'll go in, you'll find your pixel, and you'll find your pixel for your WordPress, sorry, for your Facebook page. Now once you do that, you'll have this pixel ID right here, and you just simply want to copy that pixel ID. That number right there where it says pixel ID, that's all you need when you're using PixelCat. And once you have that copied, you just go back and you just install that right there, and PixelCat takes care of all the heavy lifting. Now this is the free version or the light version of PixelCat, and as you can see right here, once you do that, then you can set up different triggers. For example, if you go here, and this is pretty advanced and I'm not really covering PixelCat, just the way to get your Facebook pixel on your WordPress page. This is a very easy way to do that, especially if you plan on doing a lot of triggers and events inside of WordPress. As you learn more about remarketing, of course, as Neil Patel said, this is the number 2 way for bloggers to market currently to their users, or to their audience. So it's a good idea to go ahead and jump in there and take a look at that. So the second way, real quick, that I want to show you is inside of Thrive Themes, which is the theme that I use for all of my WordPress sites. So what Thrive Theme has for you is they've actually, once you install Thrive Themes and you go down to the dashboard and you go to Theme Options, they've put in an Analytics and Script section, and all you need to do is get your Facebook pixel code, the script, and paste it right here into the header script. So let's go back to Facebook real quick. And I'm trying not to jump around too much here, but that's just sort of the nature of the beast when you're when you're going between Facebook and your WordPress. You got to sort of go back and forth a little bit. So once it's the exact same way. You'll get inside there. You'll get to your pixels, all your pixels, and then you'll go in here and you'll set up your pixel with this green button here. It'll launch a little page here, and it talks about connecting to a partner platform. The one you want is manually install pixel code yourself. You'll click on that, and you'll see here it'll tell you to locate the header code for your website, which is what Thrive Themes has done for you with this little box inside their scripts analytics. So you just need to go down to step 2, copy the entire pixel code and paste it in the website header, and you'll see right there, copy code to clipboard, and what that'll do is copy that into your clipboard. It's ready to be pasted. You'll then go back to WordPress inside your Thrive Themes, and you will simply just paste that in there like so. And then once you do, you will have your pixel installed, of course, after you hit Save All Changes. So those are the 2 ways. The first way was using PixelCat, where you just need your pixel ID, and you just paste that number inside of PixelCat, and it does all the work for you. Second way is to go to Facebook and copy the entire code, which, as you can see here, the entire code looks like all the stuff here that you'll need, that you'll paste into the header script here inside of Thrive Themes. So those are the 2 ways. Now, once you have that done, the last thing you want to do to make sure that your pixel code is working on your website is to get a Chrome extension right here called Pixel Helper, Facebook Pixel Helper. So this little blue box right here called Facebook Pixel Helper, and of course that's just a simple little Chrome extension, and you just Google that, Facebook Pixel Helper, Chrome extension, and of course when that comes up there, you'll just click on that and you'll install that, walk through the steps of installing a Chrome extension. So what that Chrome extension does is verify that once you have copied either your pixel ID for PixelCat or your entire script for Thrive Themes and put it in your header, then you'll be able to see that that pixel is quote-unquote firing, and that everyone that comes to your blog is being pixeled on your Facebook page. And then you'll be able to, as Neil Patel said in his content blog, his content marketing blog, in that graph talks about how important it is to be able to remarket to your blog audience using the Facebook pixel. Now, there are other ways to do remarketing, but this is specifically for Facebook and using the Facebook pixel. So real quick, that's all I wanted to cover today. One last thing, there will be a link to to some additional training, which I'm giving to you for free over right here. I have a retargeting and remarketing resource portal over at 30minutemarketing.net. Go ahead and there'll be a link in the description as well as the first comment. You can get access to that for free. It talks about things like this, goes to more in depth on how to use the pixel, and talks more about using Facebook for remarketing, retargeting, and all that kind of stuff. So I hope this was informative on how to install the Facebook pixel and why it's super important to get that done. Please give me a thumbs up. Go ahead, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Any questions, I'll be sure to answer them. And that's it. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.